back again. You're just in time. Because Magenta and I are going bird watching today. We're gonna find lots of great birds, but there's only one bird Magenta really wants to find. So Magenta, what kind of bird do you want to find?
Bark bark.
Excellent idea. We'll play Magenta's clues to figure it out. Are you ready? Come on.
A clue.
A clue? Where? Oh, on that bird. Our first clue is a bird. Let's put it in our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Let's draw a circle for the head and a beak like this. 2 eyes, a curve around for each wing, curve here, 2 legs, and a tail. There, a bird. So, what bird does Magenta want to find with a bird? Oh, good thinking. But let's find 2 more clues, just to be sure. There it is. Our second clue. And it's the colors yellow and brown. Alright, let's write it down in our handy-dandy notebook. Let's use a yellow crayon and draw a line that zigzags back and forth like this. And then a brown crayon to draw another zigzag line like this. There, yellow and brown. So what kind of bird does Magenta want to find with a bird? And yellow and brown. What do you think? Good thinking. But let's find our last clue to figure it out. Our last clue. And it's honey. Honey is our last clue. Alright, let's put it in our notebook. Let's draw an oval and a line right here for the lid. A line right here for the jar, and then we'll draw a bee right here. There, honey. Okay, let's think. So, what kind of bird does Magenta want to find with a bird? Yellow and brown. And honey. Well, maybe this kind of bird could have the colors yellow and brown. Because most birds have colors on them. And maybe this bird eats honey too. But what kind of bird is that?
A brown honey eater.
A brown honey eater. Yeah, that's it. Magenta wants to find the brown honey eater. Because brown honey eaters are a type of bird that are brown and yellow, and they like to eat honey. We just figured out Magenta's clues. We sat him down. Figured it out. What Magenta's clues were all about. Wow, you know what? We're really smart. Come on. See one, Magenta?
Bark bark.
Do you see a brown honey eater?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's the brown honey eater. Good find.
Bark bark.
Good bird finding. Thanks for bird finding with us. We'll see you later.